Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix camera quality on any Android phone. By default, here every Android phone provides a camera app. But sometimes using this camera app, we can't capture high quality photos and videos. Don't worry, right now I will share with you a very good quality camera app. Using the camera app, you will be able to fix any kind of camera quality issue. First of all, you have to go to your browser and then you have to search for iOS camera, and then you have to open this website Softonic. And once you are in this website, here scroll down until you see this camera for iPhone 13 Pro. All you have to download this camera for iPhone 13 Pro app. So tap on the camera and here just click on free download. Once the app downloaded, go to your file manager and go to download folder, and here you will see the camera app you just downloaded, and this is a very lightweight app. Here you can see the app size is only 14.76 megabyte. So install this app on your Android phone. Once the app installed, now just open the app and tap on Let's Capture, and here select HD camera, and here allow camera to take pictures and record video. Tap on while using the app. Once the camera app opened, now make sure to enable HDR option, and using this camera you will be able to take high quality photos. As you can see the photo, this is how we can easily fix camera quality issue on Android phone. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.